Rack, nigga.
Ray Honey, what it do,
AKA
nigga?
Hillcrest, nigga.
Period.
What? Young Muck, Oval Office in the studio. Got a nigga feeling like the president. Deliver work like I'm Julio. If they pull me over, no evidence. Muhammad, nigga, y'all featherweight, and my trigger finger never hesitate. Make a nigga get on his knees and start praying like he finna meditate. These niggas like wet dope. They ain't worth a damn loose penny. Leave him wet like he ain't got a towel. Forensics wondering who did it. Work like a 9 to 5. Pushing dope, no fitness. Hitting licks by myself. Ain't no co-defendants. But what they say like my dick in their mouth. Now your old lady won't speak when I'm round. I always smell like I sleep with a pound. You niggas smoking that green on the ground. Still toting that Mac, and I keep that under my MacBook. I ain't showing the plug no money till I see how that pack look. Loose ends, I sold them. Fake niggas don't know them. Treat your bitch like a bando. We running there if she open. 8 ball in my side pocket. Gotta lay low like a crotch rocket. Damn, she had the whole flow wet with her mouth. Heard she mop topping. Man, you better jump on the train with Black Island, nigga. We not stopping. Front a pack of that diesel. Nigga better bring it back like pop locking. Chopper longer than a weasel. 100 rounds, nigga, it won't stop popping. Trapping out of that Regal. Gotta stay low key cause the cops watching. Hillcrest, Black Island, TOI, stacks piling. Young niggas, stay wildin'. Keep the heat, pack rally. Wag niggas, freezy cash. Hill niggas, Ray Honey. Stacking all these blue notes cause Pops told me to stay honey. Lift it like elevators, gifted like it's my birthday. All I got is one bag left and I'ma make it shake like an earthquake. Hillcrest, I mean Hill Rack. Bombing on them like Shiloh. Heard I got my new plug back. Price is cheaper than buy low. Bitches say they want big dick, then act like they can't take that. Spread her out like a picnic and she bring it back like an 8-track. Why these niggas just wanna diss? Got me feeling like Jadakiss. Rat niggas be trying to snitch, but they don't even know my alias. Shout out to Space Team, they got range like Boston. In your crib with a 9 mil and we wake you up like coffee. Stunting like my daddy, me and Freeze in a caddy. If dollar bills was dope, then I would be a crack addict. Fuck the niggas that claim the villain ain't did shit for the whole city. Niggas still fucking one bitch. I got plenty hoes like Uncle Willie. I be having girls going crazy at the party like I'm Uncle Luke. My old bitch is your new girl and I still think I need something new. Baby girl say she the best, but I told her she dead wrong. Might as well just get the neck, cause on the dick her head gone. Shout out to all the fans that really be on my shit. Talk slick, got big clips and we can wild out like a mosh pit. Gone.